Okay, here we are, folks. Snow Wheeling Sunday video. A lot of snow this time. Had a big snowstorm last night. Oh. We're hoping we can make it back up here on the way back out, but if we don't, we're going to take another low trail out. Yep, in a winter wonderland here now. Yeah, got Sarah here enjoying the ride, huh? Huh, Sarah? Okay. Uh-oh, slow her down here. What's going on? Oh, sliding. Oh, try to make it up the hill. I don't know if you can see that far. It don't look that good. Chewing. Barely see him. I'm gonna have to get down there and take a look. It's going little by little. If I get down there, it'll probably be up top of the hill, but it's pretty steep. I'll have to go take a look. I don't know, he may be backing down. You don't give up easy though. Let's go see. Oh. Oh, he's going. Looks like he made it. Alright, I guess we're going back. Alright, we're going back. He made it. Okay. Yeah, the snow's pretty deep. Okay. Alright, sir. Hi. Made it, huh? Okay. Okay, let's go. Somebody's walking down the hill. Like they got out. Let's get down there and see what's going on. Uh-oh, backing down. They're telling they're coming down. Oh, I don't know if I can stop. Oh, they're telling me to hold up. He's gonna back down. I guess we're gonna take the low road. I guess we're gonna shut her down. Right, sir? Okay. Yep, look how deep the snow is. Oh, wow. Okay, let's see. Coming down the hill now. Sure hope I'm not going to back up here, because oh, the motor's knocking really good. Yeah. I guess we're taking the low road. Let's see what's going on here. Boy, look at the smoke coming out of that baby.
Oh yeah.
Look at the smoke coming out of that thing. Done? Now what happened getting up the hill there?
I don't know.
Oh, why'd you go down there?
Al!
Phew, look at that oil smoke. Yeah, look how deep it is.
Hi.
It's deep.
Why don't you back up and put it in the roadway right there?
Alright. Thanks for watching.